Welcome to Techie Life.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Diego Techie Life. Today we're going to be talking about investments and how to grow our investments here. We can always use money that grows and whatnot, but with the times that are happening now with the currency, there's some questionable things about whether the dollar is worth what it's worth now. We start looking at cryptocurrency, and we kind of get to the point where everybody, Bitcoin itself is the king of cryptos at the moment. If you've noticed too, I mean, crypto has, or Bitcoin itself has kind of increased in prices here. So we start to see Bitcoin about a year ago. We're looking at about $7,000. Even when after the pandemic started to kind of hit, it was about $6,000, $5,000. We get to this month, we start seeing bigger numbers, 16, 17 grand, 19 grand, and then we hit an all-time high. I believe it was December 4th, which was the 19 grand 465. So that kind of, I should have shown you through here. That kind of brings a lot of question to whether Bitcoin is worth it or not. And in my eyes, I believe it is. So I tend to use this platform called Coinbase. And Coinbase is pretty easy. You just basically tie in either your bank account or your credit card, or not credit card, but debit card, and you're able to kind of start investing. For instance, in my portfolio right now, I have $164 in crypto, and then I also have $2.21 in XRP, which is a different crypto here. And we can see how your balances changes over time. So one of the cool things about this Coinbase is that you can actually earn rewards here. Now I've already earned my rewards here. So basically it's kind of like a little classroom setting. You click in there, let me click here, and you go through this basically 3 or 4 minute video, and it asks you questions about that video. And once you complete it, you actually get money into that crypto. So you start to kind of generate whatever. I've went through a lot of these courses here, and it turns out that it's like $30, $40 of free crypto. So that's pretty cool. Another thing too is whenever, like for instance, I'm referring this to y'all, and you sign up, you put $100 in, I get $5 and you get $5. So that's pretty cool. But I'm not trying to make money off whatever on that. I just want to share how easy it is to just purchase Bitcoin, and then to kind of like have it in there if you're wanting to invest in there, right? So you can do transfers here. You can change, from crypto, or from one crypto to another crypto, and it charges a very small amount. You can also receive money from somebody else if that's what you need through this. This will be your wallet. Another thing is, so I'm kind of like an active trader in the stock market. Not a daily trader, but I'm just very active. So that from there we can actually jump over to what's called Coinbase Pro. And Coinbase Pro is pretty cool because it gives you really neat layout of the market. This is kind of like the stock market of cryptocurrency. Now the cool thing about Coinbase Pro is that you only get charged 0.5% per transaction. What that means is you're able to pay less. So with this right here, let me see if I can find the fees here. Let's see if I can purchase where do I go? Prices. Let's see if I can convert it, right? Let's convert 5 Bitcoin. Preview the conversion. $5, right? So there's actually a fee when you transfer from one currency to the other, and I believe it's right here somewhere. Where's it at? So it depends on your area, right? But this is a 1.5. I'm sorry. That's whenever you bring it from your bank. This is whenever you get your debit card involved. I'm not too sure. I want to say it's like 1 or 2% to convert. I'd have to look it into more. But the cool thing about this is it's only, like I said, it's 0.5%. So in actuality, when you buy and sell, it's 1%, which is not bad at all. So, and the cool thing too is this one is, if you're used to like the stock market, this one's fine because this one has the limits to where you can put like, I want to buy, let's just say, 5 Bitcoins, which I don't have money for. We can put 005, right? And it tells you right here. So the limit price, let's say the limit price I'm willing to spend is at 19,800, the price of Bitcoin. And it tells me, how much I'm going to pay in my fee, and I would place the order there. And then I can also do the stop limits, which is if you don't know that, I mean, just look more into that. And the same thing with selling, so I could do the selling of the limits as well too, or I can just buy it at the market price. And then we drop down here, we'll see here's the whole markets that you're able to kind of trade in. So most of them is going to be US dollars here. You can go into another different currency if you're from another country, but most of it's going to be US dollars. And then if you really wanted to, if you want to get a little bit crazy, you can do crypto to crypto. That's a little bit too hard for me to get into for going crypto to crypto. But I mean, the possibilities are pretty endless here. One cool thing that I like about cryptocurrency is so kind of like how much things can change. So like this one has 16% in the past 24 hours. That's huge. That's amazing. It just shows like, you have market caps and all that stuff. It gives you a pretty good in depth. It's kind of like, for me, coming from the stock market to here, it's not much of a difference. The only thing that really changes is just, the logos, and obviously the concept changes, right? But the ideas are still the same, where you can go back and forth. And I think that's pretty cool, and I wanted to really share that because I don't think there's much exposure, especially with Bitcoin, the price going up for Bitcoin. It's going to be pretty high. I think after there's a round of stimulus given, whenever Biden goes into office, I think there's going to be a stimulus checks going out, and that's going to basically inflate the dollar. And if that inflates the dollar, this Bitcoin will go up, and most of these cryptocurrencies will go up as well too, effortlessly. So without further ado, guys, I mean this is just kind of a breakdown, or a small short breakdown of Coinbase. I'm going to be sharing a link down to where if you sign up with Coinbase, buy $100 in crypto, I'll get $5, you get $5. And like I said, if you don't do it for that, you can do it for the rewards. This is pretty cool. You get, like I said, at least $40 in just crypto, and you could, these are all different cryptos. You could trade them into dollars, and then cash out later on after that. So, but I like this. I really enjoy this. I'm going to show y'all later on. I'm not right now, but I'm going to show you later on another platform that I use to kind of trade for me. It's like an AI bot that trades, and I will let y'all know later on, maybe in a couple days. But till then, guys, I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and everything. You truly are the best. I wouldn't be able to be here if it wasn't for y'all. So thanks, laters.